Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Next, because we have the x, so we need to find first the derivative of b with respect to y. So because we have y in here, first the derivative of y we have number 1, so we have to ask this one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here, and we have dy in here, so we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So first the derivative of s square, we have to ask this one that is about the constant, so you got about 0, and we see that this one is equal to this one by 2s, so this is about exact. Now we need to set up the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here. So the integration of 2s, we have s square. The integration of number 3, we have 3s. Next, we need to do first derivative of the function of f with respect to y. So this one we have number 1. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. And we know that this one is equals to this one. Now we simplify s squared for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of dy, we have y. And we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3sy. And 3sy equals to negative y, so I will put negative y gone here. And this one equals to fsy. And fsy equal to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.